Blizzard's House was recorded in front of a live studio audience in Blizzard 2100 Studios, Orlando, Florida. Yeah, forgot sitcoms did this, didn't you?
Hey, butt clamps.
Man, I told you not to call me that.
Hey, I'm not the one who wears them.
It was second grade. Give me a break.
Hey, whatever, Nickelback.
So what's going on?
Oh, just watching my favorite movie of all time.
From Justin to Kelly, that's actually one of the worst movies of all time.
You're one of the worst movies of all time.
Hey. What's up with the,
Oh, Nick and I just installed a studio audience in the house. You know, liven things up a little.
No, actually, Billy installed a laugh track into the house. I think it's getting a little, overjoyed, if you know what I mean. Kind of like the Big Bang Theory laugh track. Really? Billy? You laugh at butt clamps, but not the Big Bang Theory laugh track?
Hey, Nick, shut up.
it's kind of annoying, actually.
Yeah, I agree.
Hey, what do you mean? They love me. So I was at Red Lobster the other day, and I was like, hey, I'll get the breadsticks. And then I was like, wait, this isn't Olive Garden. Why am I ordering breadsticks? You go to Olive Garden if you want breadsticks, you know? And it's like, whoa, it's
Dude, we gotta stop this. I don't know, I can see his ego growing by the second. I don't know, does he need to be more overconfident? Is there a confidence issue?
No.
Okay, alright, that's good.
No. Yeah, no. But, like, how would we even stop it? We don't even know where it is.
And how about his nose, though?
Mine?
No.
No.
Okay, alright.
No.
It doesn't matter anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the story. I was upstairs, just took a huge duker, and then I came downstairs, and then he's just down here doing this crap. I don't even know where it came from. I don't know what's going on.
Should we ask him?
No, he wouldn't tell us.
And it was bigger than a python, let me tell you. Oh.
This is getting out of hand. And he hasn't even mentioned airline food yet.
Yeah. Who is taking my laughter? This is the time for my jokes! Airline food!
By George Gravity, I think I know how to stop this.
Oh, well, he got really annoyed when you stole all of his jokes, so...
So, we just have to make more jokes than he does.
Oh, this is gonna be painful.
So I says to him, you know what I says? I goes up to him and I says...
Why'd the chicken cross the road, Bill?
To get away from your jokes.
What are you doing?
Once upon a time, there was a boy named Billy.
He tried to make everyone laugh.
Stop!
But failed miserably.
And everyone hated him.
The end. Stop stealing my laughter!
Knock knock.
Who's there?
No!
I'll do it. Orange.
Orange who?
No, not this!
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Orange!
Orange who?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Orange!
Orange who?
Xbox Bing Orange!
Please don't.
Maybe we should stop.
Let him wreak havoc upon this world with his shitty, big-headed humor. I made that mistake with Dane Cook. I'm not gonna make it again.
Please don't.
Tell him to deactivate the laugh track.
Wait! Please, wait.
I need him.
What? He's a threat to the Galactic Senate. He must be destroyed.
No!